Right now, with the advancement in technology, with the advancement in internet, the knowledge is like endless. I mean, you can find so much information online through YouTube, through content, free or non-free. It's so much available, right? So the more information out there does not necessarily mean you cannot do it. It really depends on the person. I know some folks that can, grab all this material, study it, and apply it. A lot of works, a lot of efforts, but they will get some result eventually. Then you have other folks don't want to put the effort or always want to go through the easy route, and they never succeed because they're not putting enough effort, okay? So whether you want to start a business or whether you want to utilize online marketing, understand that time and effort, you have to be very patient. You have to be consistent. There is no fast result. Things take time. Mistakes going to happen, and you have to fix it and adjust it, right? You have to surround yourself with the like-minded folks. So right now, you can actually go to Google and type co-working space near me, and you can find all these organizations that where entrepreneurial mindset, people with business mindset hang out with each other, hang out together at this place. You can hang out with them, learn from them, ask them questions. There is another organization called the SBDC, the Small Business Development Center. I mean, again, the resources, the platform, the aid and the help are available and affordable, and they're everywhere. So you actually have no excuse not to be able to figure out how to utilize it. All the stuff is in front of you. It depends on how much effort or how important it is for you that you want to take those action. You want to really be serious about it and implement it because you want to build something, whether it's a business or a hobby or some sort of presence online, right? You just have to take that action. If you think too much about it, you're not going to do anything. If you keep thinking about the perfect site, the perfect design, the perfect book, the perfect whatever, never going to happen. Learn, apply, take action, and just go from there.